Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone is doing well. In our last video, we went ahead and installed the Iron Ridge solar racking system on top of the off-grid shed, as well as mounted the first panel. Just want to mention that I shot this video footage in late November. Now it's January. I finally had a chance to get around and edit this footage. I've been pretty busy with the holidays, enjoying my family, time off from work, as well as completing some other video projects that are work related and for some private clients. We're really excited to get the solar installed on the shed and continue to move forward on the solar project. If you find this video useful, please consider hitting the like and subscribe buttons. It really helps out my channel. Please enjoy the rest of the video, and thanks for watching. My best helper here.
Don't go for it.
Labor's cheap. Alright, so we got our first 3 panels up. Just going to take a quick break. Want to put a multimeter on that string. Those 3 panels make the first string. Just make sure all the voltages are correct. Also want to give a big shout out to my wife who's helping out on the job today. Without her help, it'd be really hard to do this as a single person. So having an extra set of hands, holding the panel, tightening things down, it's really a big help. Also want to show you the balance of the system. Let's take a closer look at the wiring job for taking the PV wires off the roof, running through some liquid tight. That's strapped down to the shed, bringing it down into a Midnight Solar combiner box. Along with grounding the panels in the rack on the roof, that ground runs through the box and down to a rod that's now buried in the ground. Also want to set a big shout out to Bobby at Bobby Solar Homestead YouTube channel for his suggestion that I should completely bury the ground rod. It's a great suggestion because number one, it was a trip hazard, and number two, it's just more rod into the ground, and it's just better for providing that extra ground for this entire system. Starting to get a little rain, so that's why we stopped. Show you the inside of the combiner box. The wiring. 2 circuits or 2 strings. Ground's coming off the panels in the rack. And I got the lightning arrestor also hooked up. Common negative. And I have a pass-through in the way back that has some insulation, but I'll remove that. Have the hole there already. And I'm gonna pass my combined positive and negative back to the inside of the shed. Head over to another circuit breaker just before it hits the MPP solar inverter charger. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the voltage on that first string. This is off this left breaker. Turn it on, getting both lights on the lightning arrestor from Midnight Solar. So that tells me that there's current passing through the circuit. And let's just go ahead and take a look at the overall voltage. So I'm showing 109.4 volts. So that's just about right. On an overcast day, 3 panels hooked up in series. All right, guys, just finished putting the multimeter on that last string, and I got the same voltage. So we're actually in really good shape. Solar panels are up. I'm psyched. Thanks to my wife for helping out, and it's been a good project. Phase 2 is done. Phase 3 is coming up next. Gonna work on the DC side, batteries and wiring and so forth. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Have a great day.